Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about partial fractions. So I will put about ax plus b over s squared plus 1 c over s minus 1 to the power of 2 and d over s minus 1. About this one, we have number 2. So on numerator, we need to have s. That means we just reduce from number 2 to number 1. So you got about s, we just reduce 1 power on numerator. From s, we reduce to number 0. That's why we have b. About this one, we have number 2. So we need to have 2 fractions in here. From number 2 to number 1, we just reduce the power in here. Next, we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s minus 1 to the power of 2. About this one, it is missing about s squared plus 1. About this one, it is missing about s squared plus 1 and s minus 1. This one, we need to expand. And this one too. Next, we need to expand again this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s to the power of 3, we have a plus d. About s squared, we have negative 2a plus b plus c minus d. About s, we have a minus 2b plus d. About the number, we have b plus c minus d. Next, we need to compare coefficients in here. We don't have s to the power of 3 and s squared, so a plus d equals to number 0. This one equals to number 0. About s, we have number 2. So a minus 2b plus d equals to number 2. About the number, this one should be equal to number 4. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C, D. Here is about the solutions of A, B, C, D. Now, after we get about this one, we can put the value cone here. A equals to number 2, b equals to negative number 1, C equals to number 3, D equals to negative number 2. This one we can separate them in here. Next, the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s squared plus 1. The integration of this one, we have negative arctan of s. The integration of this one, we have negative number 3 over s minus 1. And the last one, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.